People will ask, is this system hard to maintain and is it durable? So one of the things to know about this particular wardrobe is it is not made of wood. People would look at that and they even touch this and they would think this is wood, but this is actually a laminate product, which is much easier to maintain because you never have to paint it. And even if my hands were dirty and my wife slapped them because I was getting the doors dirty, we could take basically just a cloth and wipe this off. So it's really easy to maintain. The other thing is if it's durable and going to be adjustable over time. So one of the things I'll show you over here, which is really neat with a wardrobe system, is you'll see that there's increment holes where things can be moved up and down. And then there's even these little adjustable pins. So if down the road our customer here, Victoria, decided she wanted to put shoes here, she could put shoes in this space, move these shelves up and down. And because this is a symmetrical design where the shelves on this side are the same as the ones on the far right, these shelves could be moved from place to place. So it is durable, it is adjustable, which is a key thing, and it's simple to maintain, which is music to most of our ears. To learn more, feel free to call us 614-545-6888 or go to innovatehomework.com. Thanks so much.